brushes. I will tell you why you need to during the video. Q-tips and what is this? Concealer, heavy duty concealer. And I got this from Walmart. You can purchase this from your local Walmart store, and the brushes too, but I didn't purchase it. I went to self-checkout. But yeah, that's besides the fact. Anyways, this is the shade Fawn. I went, I think, undertone, but kind of close to my complexion. You need a brush and a spoolie. A brush to blend and a spoolie to also blend your eyebrows. And, you know, you can use this pencil. I got a pencil, but I'm not going to use the pencil. But you can use this pencil. I got it from the dollar store. You can get a pencil just about from anywhere. Pencils look like crap, by the way, just to let you know. But, however, who cares, you know? If you like it, you like it. Just your fucking eyebrows, you know. Go out into the world, let everybody know these are my eyebrows. You don't judge me based off my eyebrows. Anyways, after my little episode, you know, whatever. But I use brow pomade. This is Eyebrow dark brown brow pomade. I prefer and I recommend brow pomade because it makes your eyebrows look more natural. Like, you get the natural feel more. But yeah, and make sure you use dark brown pomade or eyebrow pencil because your eyebrows are not black. Sweetheart, honey, learn from me. Your eyebrows are really not black. Like, I had to learn that the hard way because, you know, yeah, I look like the Wicked Witch of the West, or, you know, more like the Addams Family by the eyebrows, but I don't want you going out here looking like that, so just take my advice. Okay, now to the fleeking of the eyebrows. First, you take your spoolie and you move like so. You see that? You see how I'm combing all the hairs in place? You know, this is what you're supposed to do. Like, this is the right thing to do. I learned how to do this from like a couple other YouTubers. Like, I'm not gonna steer you wrong with eyebrows. Bam. You know, at this point, I feel like my eyebrows are already on fleek. I don't even need. No, I'm kidding, you guys. I'm gonna finish the tutorial. Like, this is what I'm here for. You know, to help you guys out. But then you take your pomade and you brush one of your angled brushes, and you know, you fill in around the eyebrow. You know, you go under. Well, I start from right here under. At the top, don't start from right there. Start behind the hairs, the straight hairs, because it gives it a more natural look. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want to look more like they're your eyebrows, more so than like they're not your eyebrows. I mean, duh, that's the freaking objective here, but I'm just, you know, making it clear, like, just in case somebody came here and was like, her eyebrows fake, and I was gonna be like, oh, okay, that's crazy. I don't think anybody ever said that to me, except for
my friend, you know, she came up to me, she was like, girl, next time bring your eyebrows. And I was like, oh yeah, and I was like, your eyebrows sticky so too. I look like somebody drew my duck over Sharpie, but that was because I had black. Oh, you probably, yeah, I'm gonna speed up this part of the video now, so. Spoolie, yeah. I like that. You see that? You see how that line disappeared? Spoolie. Now, you can go as dark as you want with the brow pomade. Me, I like the more natural look, so I don't go too dark. You see how it looks like my eyebrow? It's kind of not like my eyebrow because, you know, that part could be tell, but, you know, we can fix that. We're gonna fix it. Bam, baby.
and you go in with your concealer because, honey, if you're not concealing your eyebrows and you're walking outside like this, like, no guy's gonna want you. Just letting you know, like, I mean, if he does want you, honey, run quick, because if he's talking to girls that looks like this, I mean, well, not like this, because you're kind of still beautiful, but, like, looking tacky by the eyebrows, he ain't no good, and his socks ain't clean. Who want a man with dirty socks? Definitely not me. This eyebrow is just so beautiful. Well, this one is not, but you know. I mean, I care, but, you know, I'm not the best at it yet, so you will get an updated brow tutorial once I know how to do my brows for real. I mean, this is pretty decent, you know, I like it. I'm not going anywhere but to bed, as I already stated. Oh yeah, use this brush to blend. Because you don't want to go out there looking white-skinned by the eyebrows, and you're definitely like a opal stone. Like, you're gonna look crazy. I'm telling you right now. And bam, that is the finished eyebrow look. Like, glamorous, baby. Yeah. Feeling it. I like it. Because I'm going to bed. Obviously, I like it because I'm going to bed. But, you know, you get the gist of how to do your eyebrows. Whatever shape you want, you know, shape it up, you know. I like my eyebrows. Like, this eyebrow especially, you just focus on this one. Focus on this side of my face, you know. Nose ring, earrings, eyebrow. No kidding. But thank you, young queens and kings, for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Comment. Like some friends. Like your mama, your daddy, your auntie, and your baby daddy. The fetus is grown yet. Invite the Plan B people. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. You know. Stay safe. No sex. No drugs.